There's your picture by the bed. I'm gonna leave it where it is, 'cause if I tear it up tonight, my heart will know that something ain't right between me and you. I'm gonna lie here in the dark and pretend you're in my arms, and if I can keep from crying out your name, my heart will think you're here beside me, and things are still the same. My mind knows it's over, but how do I break it to my heart? If I let it down easy, it'll still be torn apart. And if I tell it the truth, then the pain is gonna start. My mind knows it's over, but how do I break it to my heart? When I saw him by your side, I guess it opened up my eyes, and my ears could finally hear your soft goodbye. But my heart's still set on loving you tonight and for the rest of its life. My mind knows it's over,